Here we are looking at a totally rebuilt Clipper roll feed hopper. Unit has been completely disassembled and cleaned up and revarnished, repainted. All the worn parts have been replaced. A new brush has been installed on the unit. It has the aggressive in-feed roller for doing grass seeds, but it can also be used on other commodities like beans and corn and wheat. Go ahead and open the hopper so you can see on the inside. This is looking inside. You can see the in-feed roller there. Everything is in excellent shape on this hopper. We have it marked where you cut the inlet from your bin to in the hopper. This is showing here underneath. So you can see the quality of our rebuild. Everything is in order. It is a right-hand drive. You can see here. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.